Hello everyone, how are you going today? Today I'm going to be talking about CryptoBlades, which is a new NFT game where you have to battle and you can make some money through skill, which is their crypto. It is an amazingly easy game to play, and is a little fun. Okay, I'm a little bit addicted, I have to admit, and you can make some money. So that's the most exciting thing for me. And I'll just teach you the basics of how to play and the way I've set it up. So let's get started. Okay, just before we get started though, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Without further ado, let's go. First of all, this game uses the Binance Smart Chain, so you'll need to set up your MetaMask for that. If you're not sure how to do that, I have a handy video that I made a short time ago, so it'll be up on the top of your screen right now, so click on that if you're not sure how to do it. Okay, so once you're set up on the Binance Smart Chain, you'll need to go on over to CoinGecko. Okay, when you're in CoinGecko, you should check out Skill. Okay, that's the token that they use for currency on CryptoBlades. Alright, and you want to copy the contract address here. Okay, click to copy, and then just go on over to pancakeswap. Just go to pancakeswap. If you have some BNB in your wallet, you'll need to buy some skill. Okay, so you might have to import that. Click I understand. Alright, and I think you probably need just to get started, you'll probably need one at the least. Okay. Alright, so then once you have the skill in your wallet, then you can go on over to CryptoBlades. Okay, so once you're at the website, it's going to ask you to recruit a character for 2.4927 skill. Alright, you can do that if you like, but I can actually show you a better way, and it's going to be around about the same price, but you'll be able to pick and choose which kind of character that you want. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so it's pretty simple. All you need to do is click into the marketplace, and in the marketplace you can click on search NFTs, browse NFTs and characters. Okay, but actually before you get the character, I think actually it's better to get the weapon. Alright, and you can actually get the weapon from here, and you can just forge a weapon, but you'll get a random weapon. You may get a very crap weapon, you might get a really good weapon, but the chances are you'll probably get a crap weapon. So what I recommend is going into the marketplace and try to choose a decent weapon and then build the characters around that weapon so you can make them work in tandem together. So in order to do that, you're pretty easy. Just browse weapons, and I would go for a 3-star if possible, and just check out the weapons from here. Okay, what you want to get if possible is a matching weapon. See, like this. This is earth, and it also has some earth power, where these other ones here are kind of like mix and match. It is water and earth together. Okay, so this is a decent one. So what you do is you click on that, and you'd copy the number 402897. Okay, and now let's search NFTs. You could just paste that address into there and search weapon, and here it comes up. Alright, and then you could click on it. Oh, the price is a bit expensive though. I think that's a bit overpriced, to be honest, so I wouldn't purchase that. But I'm just saying, if that was around about 2 or 3, maybe 3 skill, then possibly I would purchase it, and then all you'd have to do is purchase it. This purchase button just here. Okay, so what you'd do is you'd get your weapon first, and then after that you'd go through the same process. You'd have a look at the characters, browse NFTs, browse characters, and you can just choose from any any, and sort by low to high. Brave, okay, and browse characters. Okay, so now that you've got the weapon, which was Earth, actually, you would click in here and you would put Earth, okay, and see here are some of the characters that are available. Alright, you can see the prices. This one's actually already level 5, which is a decent deal. 2.3. Okay. Level 1. Level 21. Wow. Okay. And how much? $4.72 skill. A little bit expensive. Okay. Alright, so there are the characters. So you can just pick them up from there to match your weapon. And all you'd have to do is just copy that ID. Okay, and then all you'd do now is you'd search it, paste it in there, and search character. Okay, and in this instance you just purchase it like that. Push that purchase button and your MetaMask would pop up. Okay, so once you have your characters and your weapon, then you can leave the marketplace and go back to the plaza. Okay, you can have a maximum of 4 characters. As you can see here, I have all lightning characters. Okay, and I have various levels, level 21, 21, 15, and 16. Alright, and you'll see here in my weapon, I only have the one weapon, and it is also lightning. Okay, so it kind of matches my characters. Alright, so all you need to do now is you can do some combat. You can see here my stamina. I have 121 of 200. I haven't quite recovered yet from my previous battles. Recovery is 200, and it will recover back to 100% every 16 hours. Okay, so the game's pretty simple. So what I'll do now is I'm going to click on combat. Okay, so let's do a little fight here. I have to choose my weapon first. Alright, and now I'm going to fight other characters. So lightning is especially strong against water. So here are my 4 opponents. I can choose whichever one I want. Okay, so I can see here there's a water opponent and it says very likely victory. Okay, and there's also some fire opponents. Okay, that's a kind of a neutral. Fire is kind of neutral for me, but look, the points are quite considerably lower. Okay, so I probably have more chance of winning this battle, and this one over here as well. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm probably just going to go for the easy victory. I'm going to go for this one over here. Okay, I click fight. And my MetaMask will pop up and I have to confirm that. And now it's just waiting for the results. Alright, so I won the fight. Okay, I got 0.109916 skill. Okay, so if you calculate that. Okay, so let's calculate that. Okay, so the current price of CryptoBlades is $60.61. Let's go on over to the online calculator. Okay, so $60 and sorry, 61 cents times 0.1099 equals about $6.66. Alright, so I'll do a couple more battles just for just to show you how to do it. Okay, so I have some other opponents now. Okay, and probably I'll go for a water opponent. 7-3, and there's another one over there, 6-9. I'll just go for the easy. I'll go for the easy victory. Let's see how it goes. So every time I battle, I have to pay a little gas fee. Gas fee is really cheap. It's about 20 cents. Alright, I won that one and I got 0.11. Okay, so it was a little more than last time. Okay, and I have 42 stamina left, so I have enough for one more game on this character. And then I can move on to my other characters. Okay, so here we go. This character looks promising. I think I'll go for this one. Fight the water one. Alright, and I won that one as well. Okay, so now I'm out of stamina. Okay, so I can now move on to my next character. But I'm not going to do that for now because I think you get the idea. Okay guys, so that was just a quick video just to show you how the gameplay works, how to buy the characters, how to buy the weapons, and how to set yourself up in the most efficient manner. Okay, so it's a great little money earning game. Might be worthwhile trying out. Right now the token's price is quite high, so you may want to wait a little for a little drop in the market. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do have time, please drop a comment because I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much and have a great day.